I done lock the game up, pick a fuck. You can hit it, pain all on my flow. Bad bitch, make her head touch her toe. Wake up, take my meds, then I'm gone. They done lock, lil' Will stay strong. Lil' bitch on her knees while I sit on my throne. Wake up, finna put these niggas on. The lil' bitch a dog, but my dick is a bone. So high off earth phone home. These niggas be hating, so I'd rather be alone. Bitches got me infused, the way that ass move, I got that good. I can't wait to do shows, 50 hoes coming home. Yes, I sip alone, $200 styrofoam. Mama pray I make it home, my Drake is my insurance. I just dropped the top on the roof, now I'm soaring. I've been on the top for a minute, it's kinda boring. Jiggy bitch, rub me from the night to the morning. Get that bitch a Uber, she can call him but I'm ignoring. I can't wait to fuck these different bitches while I'm touring. I can't wait to get these fucking MB on the Forbes list. 12 be 8 tryna chase a nigga, so I floored the bitch. Tryna get that richy rich, so my jewelry can flood my wrist.